incredibly cold. Hello and welcome, guys and girls, to a new episode of our daily episodes. We're going to talk about this magnificent, wonderful beast of machine, the KTM Superduke GT. The bike, of course, never fails to entertain. It's unbelievably torquey and unbelievably powerful. We took it on the motorway here and it just, wow, unbelievable. It has this windscreen. However, the problem with the windscreen, it's really useless, because it channels more air to your helmet rather than keeping the air out of the way. So the air more or less is on your neck and your helmet at great speeds. It's just not useful at all. I thought of getting a taller screen, but a taller screen would be like maybe 10 centimeters taller or 4 inches taller, which is still not much of a difference. If it's in sports mode or the ride mode is in sports. MTC also is another story. If MTC is on, you rarely can wheelie the bike or do anything, because it has a sensor that measures the rear speed of the front tire and maps them together, where the rear tire can never be faster than the front tire, therefore it would never wheelie unless you turn it off. Catch is, when you turn it off, it keeps going on again, because it's like a protection for maybe new riders or something, because the bike is really torquey and powerful. So if you're not really skilled rider, and a very skilled rider, you can really kill yourself. You can really hurt yourself very badly. Regarding the gears are really smooth. The quick shifter is unbelievable. So these are the gears. I don't know where the quick shifter is here. Look, and it is unbelievable. The only challenge is, it's very hard to find neutral. It's quite difficult to get a neutral in position. Of course, this guy's made in Australia and it's a perfect quality machine. The only challenge is maintenance fees are expensive and the insurance costs, because of the high displacement engine. I was never a fan of touring bikes. I was more into super sport bikes until I tried this one. It's really super sport bike in the body of a touring machine. I just wish to buy another module to turn off this MTC or dongle or something, because it's just unbelievable. It bothers me a lot. It intervenes. So a lot of intervention in your riding style and doing everything. It can save you, of course, in the corner and icy conditions such as this one's. Like, it's really cold and icy. It could really save your life if you are taking a corner and accelerate.